Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to verify tweaked apps on iOS. So let's start. First open settings on your iPhone. Now tap on your name. Now tap on iCloud. Now scroll down and tap on iCloud Backup and make sure it is enabled. And tap on Backup now. Now go back to settings. Scroll down, tap on General and tap on Reset. Now tap on Erase all content and settings and tap on Erase now. And your iOS device will now factory reset. Now you have to log in back to your Apple ID and then restore all the backups. Then connect to your Wi-Fi. When you are done, then open a browser. Now type in the address tutubox.io. Scroll down and tap on Install Now. Now scroll down and tap on the certification Kwangdao. Tap on it again and it will start downloading. And if you go to your homepage, you will see that Tutubox app is installing. And that should fix your problem. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.